Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Students, in our previous video, we were talking about our second lesson. That is matter around us pure? In our online live classes, we have started also. We were discussing about what is exactly the definition of pure substances. What is mean by pure substances? In that case, we have discussed some examples also, like milk, air. Even if we are saying that it is a pure air or it is a pure milk, it is not pure. Okay, some or the other impure, what we can say, constituents, various constituents are there. Like milk is made up of fat, proteins, and water, and air, various gases are there. So, the definition of pure substance, if we talk about, the definition is the pure substance is one which is made up of only one kind of atoms. Means all the atoms in that substance should be same. Then that is known as pure substance. In case of milk, is it possible? Like atoms of water, fat and proteins, they are completely different from each other. So it cannot be a pure substance. Okay. Pure substances, they are divided into two types: elements and compounds. Elements and compounds, these two different divisions are there. These are based. What is the base of this distinction? Based on their chemical composition. Okay, this difference or these categories are based on chemical composition. Now chemical composition means what? What are the ingredients? What are the ingredients of elements and compounds? About compounds we will talk later. Now we will start with the elements. Exactly what are elements? Now for elements, Robert Boyle was the first scientist. He was the first scientist to use this term elements. He used this term or this word in 1661. Okay. What he said, that these are the substances or elements are the thing which cannot be broken down. Okay, elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any method. It cannot be broken down, it cannot be divided. This definition is still applicable, it is true that elements cannot be broken down. ऐसे हम उसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, या फिर ऐसे नहीं होता कि x plus y मिलाया फिर a हुआ और z हुआ और that z is the element. No, it is not that. It has its own identity. Right? So this definition given by Robert Boyle, it is still applicable. Now one more scientist was there, Antoine Lavoisier. Okay. This scientist, he gave proper scientific definition of elements. According to him, the exact definition of element was a substance which can neither be broken down into simpler substances nor formed from two or more simpler substances by any known physical or chemical process. So that is the exact definition of element. Correct na? That things only we have discussed here. A substance which can neither be broken down. उसको हम डिवाइड भी नहीं कर सकते. ओके, और कोई दूसरे सब्सटेंस मिलाकर वो सब्सटेंस फॉर्म नहीं होता. सपोज हमको एक एलिमेंट है हाइड्रोजन, वी नीड टू फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन हियर. ओके, Then we cannot do like oxygen and nitrogen, they will form hydrogen. No, it is completely wrong. The substance has its special own identity, own existence. It is not formed from any other two or more substances. Getting? So this was the scientific definition of elements. Now we will see